So you guys are having a premiere of this movie. Oh, we're back. All right, welcome back, everybody. So this is a program that's aimed at assisting Jamaica's youth in self-development. Alicia Glasgow-Gentles, Executive Director of the Multicare Youth Foundation, is here to tell us more, as well as how we can help the cause. Good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Multicare Foundation, tell me a little bit about it.
So the Multicare Youth Foundation is actually, we merged this year. It's an amalgamation of 3 youth development organizations. The Multicare Foundation has existed for 24 years. Youth Upliftment Through Employment, which you know, the youth program. Yes. And Youth Opportunities Unlimited, which is a charity started by Betty and Blaine, which deals with mentorship. So we're actually now one family with 3 organizations that are we're really designed to empower young people between the ages of 6 and 29 years.
I'm still a young people? Joke.
Yes, absolutely.
Just joking. I wish. We still consider 29-year-olds young people.
29, yes.
Well, when you're bridging the gap between what they're doing and from unemployment to employment, then I guess that's...
So we do deal with a cohort of young people in primary and secondary school between 6 and 18, and we do social development programs in sports and the visual and performing arts. And for our older cohort, young people between the ages of 16 and 29, I'm sorry, we do youth employment and employability programs.
Okay. All right. So you look at skills development.
Yes.
You look at character building. Tell me some of the other areas in particular that you focus on.
Mentorship is a key component to our programs. In the youth program, we match one-on-one mentors, and
our program has been very successful.
It has been successful, and over the last 7 years we've trained more than 750 mentors, and we're managing those relationships to date, so it's a very important component.
Okay. Alicia,
yes.
Sandra is
my mother.
Okay, all right. Just had to check because I know she was very, very, very deeply rooted.
Yes, and she's still a director of the Multicare Youth Foundation.
All right, so she's running in the family.
Yes.
That is fantastic. All right, so skills development, character building, productive citizenship. Yes. Interesting. How are young people reacting to civics and citizenship rights and responsibilities? Yeah. I mean, we hear this thing about millennials not caring and young people not caring. What have you guys found?
Well, one of the beauties of our life skills training program is just that, to promote this idea that we're a part of a nation, that we have to be good citizens in order to thrive in the country in which we live. So life skills is very important to doing that, to building self-esteem, to giving young people the opportunity to look at themselves as productive citizens of the nation.
Yeah. What are they telling you about how they feel about Jamaica?
Well, you know, a lot of our young people have not even experienced traveling abroad, for example. So this is what they know. But there is a sentiment of love for our country throughout our programs when we talk to our young people. They love this idea of being Jamaican just because of what they've heard Jamaica means in the rest of the world. So, you know, Jamaicans love to be Jamaican.
Do they see the older ones? Do they see opportunity here? Do they feel as if there's a place for them and a path?
Yes, you know, a lot of our young people, I would say, have a sort of apathy about where they stand as citizens in the nation. So our program is really designed to help them find a way to give them a sense of who they are, and to be able to give them the skills necessary for them to build better futures for their lives.
Yeah. Okay, so how are you funded to be able to carry out this life-changing work? That's always a challenge.
It is a challenge. I have to say we do have a set of committed partners in the ICD group, which is chaired by Joseph Matalan, our chairman. Flow is also one of our committed partners, JMMB group through their foundation, John Duncan Foundation, as well as Caribbean Cement. They are our, I would say, our anchor partners. And we do have other corporate entities that support us. Like, for example, GB Energy came on to support this Black Panther launch that premiere that we're having, as well as Gustazos is going to be selling tickets for us online. Lifespan Water came on board. So we have a lot of support. Still, there is always a need for more. Always room for more.
Yes.
So we encourage all, you know, private sector, public sector to come on board with our program.
All right, so you touched on it, so let's head to it. This is a great way to raise funds because this movie is so well anticipated worldwide.
Yes.
How did you guys come up with this idea to have this as your fundraising activity for the beginning of this year?
Interestingly enough, our team was really excited about the movie, and we thought, you know, what a great way to show young people how Black people can be empowered to see themselves differently. You know, this is an important movie for the Black community, especially Black actors, you know, a way for them to be, and, you know, a lot of young people in our programs we consider to be heroes. You know, a lot of them have come from really harsh conditions and have really turned their lives around and become successful in their endeavors. So it's, you know, these are our superheroes, the young people in our program. So we just thought it was a great match to do this movie premiere, and we're really excited about getting support, getting people out to come and support us.
This film is breaking records already,
yes.
and it hasn't even been released yet. All sorts of records across the world are being broken because people are waiting with bated breath to see Black Panther. Tell us when and tell us how it is that we can support, please.
Okay, so we are having the premiere at Carib. It's going to be in Cinema 1 on Thursday, February 15th, which is next week, Thursday.
You best believe it.
Right?
Yeah.
It's the day after Ash Wednesday. We have cocktails at 7:40, and I believe the movie starts at 8:30.
Okay, this says cocktails at 8. Movie at 8:30.
Yes, the movie's at 8:30. I believe we open the doors at 7:40.
All right.
For cocktails.
And the primary objective here is to raise funds.
It's to raise funds. It is a fundraiser. So our tickets are $3,500 for regular seats and $4,000 for box.
Now,
tickets.
is this like a fancy schmancy? You know, we have these premieres in Jamaica. You have to put on a pretty frock, pretty suits, red carpet type, glitzy, glamsy affair. Is that what you're doing with this?
Not really. I would say wear what you have. It's going to be nice.
Tell us, Alicia,
wear what you have. Wear what you have. We're going to be decked out in black. We're wearing black. Our team is going to be decked out in black.
So maybe people can take your cue because it's about Black empowerment.
Yeah, it's about Black empowerment.
Yes.
It's not so much about glitz and glam.
Okay.
You know, it's more about coming to support a worthy cause.
Okay.
So wear what you have.
Wear what you have, and then go down like at 3.5. You said for
3.5 for regular seats and 4,000 for
and you
box
purchase
seats.
tickets there.
And you actually get the tickets at our offices at 7 Harbour Street. That's a very important point to make. And we
Only? That's exclusive?
Yes, it's an exclusive. You get them at 7 Harbour Street at our offices, the Multicare Youth Foundation. And we're doing a special promotion on gustazos.com where tickets are available for 50% off.
What'd you say?
Yes, a limited number of tickets are available for 50%
So how you do the online thing? You
so
get them online and you need to collect them at the theatre?
You go online and purchase them, and they'll be available for collection. Okay. You get instructions through gustazos.com.
G-U-S-O-S.
Yeah.
T-A-Z-O-S?
That's correct.
All right, guys. So you have the website. 7 Harbour Street is a location where you can physically purchase, but whatever you do, try to get your tickets for what's going to be a fantastic movie. It's a premiere of Black Panther, and these folks are trying to do it. The Multicare Youth Foundation, Youth, and YOU coming together to help the young people in this country to be all that they can be, and if we can help them do that, then why not? Why have you seen a great movie? I think it's a win-win, right?
Yes,
I think
thank
so.
you.
I appreciate it. Anything else we need to get in there on this year before we go?
No, we just encourage everybody to come out and support us and enjoy this fantastic film that we're expecting.
Madam. Thank you very much for being here this morning.
Thank you so much for
Executive
having me.
Director of the Multicare Youth Foundation, Alicia Glasgow Gentles. Good morning, Mom, Sandra. Nice to have your daughter here talking to us this morning and to see that she's carrying on the legacy that you're creating with helping young people. We've got more on Smile after the break.
Your Highness, that is quite the entourage. Show them who we are.
Let's go!
Step into the spotlight. Step into the spotlight.
Guns. So primitive.
Now that we have your attention.
Black Panther. Get tickets now.